There are certain trigonometric ratios for which you're expected to know exact values. If we consider this one here, we have an equilateral triangle with all the sides of length 2. If we drop a perpendicular down here, forming two right-angled triangles, then we can see the length of this side must be 1. The hypotenuse here is 2. To work out this length, we could use Pythagoras' theorem. If we call this x, x squared plus 1 squared would be equal to 2 squared. So x squared plus 1 is equal to 4. X squared is equal to 3. So x is equal to root 3. So the length of this side is root 3. If we consider this triangle, this angle would be 30 degrees. Each angle in an equilateral triangle would be 60 degrees, and this angle has been cut in half and therefore is 30. The bottom angle here would be 60 degrees. If we consider the 30-degree angle first, the sine of 30 degrees we know is equal to the opposite over the hypotenuse, so 1 divided by 2. So the sine of 30 degrees is a half. The cosine of 30 degrees is the adjacent over the hypotenuse, so root 3 over 2. The tangent of 30 degrees is the opposite over the adjacent, so it's 1 divided by root 3, which may be manipulated using surd manipulation to give root 3 over 3. If we now consider the 60-degree angle, the sine of 60 degrees is the opposite over the hypotenuse, root 3 over 2. The cosine of 60 degrees is the adjacent over the hypotenuse, so the cosine of 60 degrees is a half, and the tangent of 60 degrees is the opposite over the adjacent, root 3 over 1, or just root 3. All of these values you should remember and be able to reproduce immediately.